Kamelot Auction House is a premier, upper-tier auction house located in historic Philadelphia, proudly serving clients nationwide and internationally. We specialize in the sale of fine furniture, decorative and fine arts, as well as architectural and garden antiques. Whether you're exploring the value of a single cherished item or navigating a large, varied estate, we offer personalized guidance to meet your unique needs. Our auctions are cross-promoted on major third-party bidding platforms, including live auctioneers and Invaluable, maximizing sales potential through a global audience of active collectors. At Kamelot, we work on a commission basis with one goal: to achieve the best possible results for your property. If you're considering selling an item, we invite you to visit our gallery or send photos to Consigning at CamelotAuctions.com for a complimentary assessment. When reviewing potential consignments, we evaluate several key factors: age, rarity, design, and condition. If your pieces meet our criteria, we'll extend an invitation to consign. Once accepted, you'll receive our consignor agreement outlining the terms of our partnership, and we'll establish your seller account. Consignments are typically delivered to our gallery at least 5 weeks before a sale, allowing our team to research, catalog, and photograph each item. You may arrange delivery independently, or we can assist with logistics. We welcome any questions, and we look forward to working with you.